Bill, this thing whipsaws, though. Are you suggesting it's only going higher from here?
No, I'm not suggesting that. Natural gas is a very dangerous game, and you have to get a handle on many fundamentals to get the direction right, both on the short term and the long term. What I would say is that the upside risk, particularly in Europe, is much greater than the downside risk. This energy transition to renewables or whatever they plan on doing to wean themselves off Russian gas is going to take some time. They're not renewing long-term contracts, so that puts a heavier burden on LNG imports. Things break, things go down. There's a lot of volatility, so it's a dangerous game, but a profitable game.
Yeah, and you have certainly shown that with gains of, what was it, 182% last year on one of your funds, and I think more than 100%, year to date so far this year and 100% last year. If I am an individual investor who is of the mind that the price of natural gas is going to rise over the next 9 months because of the various complex of influences that are at work, how is the smartest way for me to play it if I don't have the skills of a Bill Perkins or the capital of Skylar?
Well, I think you can look at, if you're interested in the gas unhedged producers that are out there, Occidental Petroleum, people that have run an efficient operation, or simply an ETF on gas. There are gas ETFs that are out there that you can purchase, limit your, put the small amount of capital at work that you want to put into the volatile commodity that natural gas is, and feel safe at night that, clearinghouses aren't going to call you and wake you up and and bust you out of your position
because you bought futures or whatever, right?
Oh, because you bought futures and you were way levered, and things went horribly wrong. And things tend to go horribly wrong in natural gas. We had Cheniere LNG export facility break down, blow up when things were extremely bullish, and then things looked bearish for a minute, and then we had pretty much record heat for the past 2 weeks, basically erasing all the gas that was brought back into the United States of America, or not exported rather, from Cheniere going down. So it's things do happen, things do go wrong, and it's not for the faint of heart, but it is a wonderful product to trade.
Where, Bill, is it going next?
Wow. If you talked to me before the Freeport LNG plant had blown up, I would have said it's going straight up. That relief to the American consumer by bringing 2 BCF a day back in the USA kind of threw a wet blanket on the bull trade. Although the weather has got me slightly bullish again in the short term. In the long term, though, never bet against the American producer. They will be growing supply steadily throughout the year, through the winter, and into next year. And so I would say that the tail end of domestic prices seems to be going lower. On the flip side, in Europe, I would have a bullish tint for quite some time.
Wow, and that's saying something, given that our prices have doubled, but theirs are up, 4 or 5x and could keep going. Bill, for now, thank you. It's good to check in with you. We appreciate it.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.